Happy opening day of baseball 2022. Our pets are almost like children for most of us, so when creating an estate plan, I always ask if my client has a pet. And if yes, then whether the client has thought about what will happen with their pet or pets after the client passes. Almost without exception, the answer is, I hadn't really thought about that. And the ideas about the pet's care vary wildly. Believe it or not, care and feeding for a dog can easily exceed $2,000 per year. So asking someone to adopt your pet really is a pretty big ask. Sometimes a client will want to create a pet trust, which is a special trust to hold money to provide for the pet's care after the owner passes. The owner designates a trustee to care for the pet, and the owner deposits enough money into the trust to care for the pet. A $10,000 pet trust is pretty normal. Those funds don't have to be placed in the trust immediately. They can come from the client's estate after the client passes. And you'll designate a beneficiary to receive the leftover funds after the pet passes. The good news is that it isn't difficult or expensive to establish a pet trust while we're preparing the other estate planning documents. It's really just a part of the estate planning process. If you'd like more information about estate planning issues for your pets, visit our website at www.kansascityestateplanner.com or call for a free consultation with one of our attorneys. At WM Law, we are here to help.